Enhancing conversations. The power of nonverbal communication in English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of nonverbal communication, a crucial yet often overlooked part of English language learning. Specifically, we'll discover how to use nonverbal cues to enhance requests and offers in conversation, making your English even more effective and nuanced. Nonverbal communication includes all the ways we express ourselves without words. This involves gestures, facial expressions, body posture, eye contact, proxemics, or personal space, and paralinguistics, the way we speak, such as tone, volume, or pitch. It's a vital part of conveying our intentions, emotions, and reactions, even when we don't speak a word. When making requests in English, it's not only about what you say but also how you say it. Let's explore some nonverbal cues that can enhance your requests. 1. Eye contact. Maintaining good eye contact shows respect and sincerity. 2. Nodding. A subtle nod can encourage the listener to agree or comply with your request. 3. Open palms. Showing your palms can indicate that you are open and honest, thereby making your request seem more genuine. 4. Lean in. Leaning in slightly shows interest and engagement, reinforcing the importance of your request. When it comes to making offers, your body language can greatly impact how your offer is perceived. Here's how. 1. Smile. A warm, genuine smile can make your offer more inviting and appealing. 2. Open posture. An open posture, no crossed arms, for example, signifies that you are receptive and welcoming. 3. Forward lean. Just as with requests, leaning in slightly conveys your genuine interest and engagement. 4. Head tilt. A slight tilt of the head can indicate curiosity and empathy, suggesting you care about the person you're making an offer to. Remember, nonverbal cues can vary greatly across cultures. What's considered polite or appropriate in one culture might be deemed disrespectful or odd in another. So while these cues generally apply in English-speaking cultures, always consider the cultural context and be adaptable. And that's a wrap for today's journey into nonverbal communication in English. Remember, words are just part of the story. The way you use your body and voice can dramatically enhance your English communication. So, be sure to practice these techniques in your everyday conversations. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video helps you express yourself more fully in English. Until next time, keep learning and growing.